Hey there, this is Reggie with Social Report, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos like a pro right within Social Report. You can create, edit, and share amazing images using our powerful built-in photo editor. Let's start by heading into our project's media library. Anything you've previously uploaded will show up there, but you'll also have access to any images from your external folders, like a connected Google Drive folder. You'll also be able to find awesome images to share using the free image repository powered by Pixabay. Regardless of whether you're uploading an image or using one already in your media library, you can use our built-in photo editor to spice up your photos. In this example, I'll drag an image into the Social Report screen to bring up our photo editor. Once the image loads up, you'll see the variety of editing options at your disposal. We can crop this photo if we want it to be a little bit more Instagram friendly. Keep in mind, you'll actually see the aspect ratio and dimensions on the bottom left of the editor. Let's save this crop and maybe make some changes to the brightness, and even warm up the photo a little bit to make it feel more like summer. We can head into the frame section and add a nice frame to make the photo stand out a bit more. We can even insert a watermark if we want, like adding your brand's logo to the photo. With the editor, we can even jump in and overlay some text to the image, with awesome options for changing the font and color of the text. Overall, our built-in photo editor has a ton of options for helping you make amazing photos to share with your audience. Let's go ahead and save this photo, and we'll see that it now gets added to the media library. One great thing to keep in mind is that the editor is not restricted to only images you upload. If there's a cool image in the free image repository, you can select the image and bring it into the photo editor. You can do the same thing to an image from your external folders connected to this project, like this photo from my Google Drive. When you're done editing, you can always click on the image to download it to your computer, or click Edit to continue making some more changes. You can click Publish to start scheduling a message using your newly created image, or you can add it from the Composer's Attach Media button. You'll notice an edit icon above images that you attach within the Compose window. This is actually another way to bring up the photo editor. If you upload an image during the scheduling process, you can actually bring up the photo editor, make changes to your image, save it, and keep on working on your post. And that's it. Social Report's built-in photo editor is an awesome feature that allows you to tweak your images and even create new content for your audience. If you need some assistance or have any questions, make sure to reach out to our support team.